Good evening, student. So today I am here with the topic of class 10, that is known as transportation. This is the first chapter, life processes, and the topic is transportation. So what is transportation? So it is the process in which the substances synthesized or absorbed in one part of the organism and is carried out to the other part of the body. So what is the fluid or what are the material that has to be transported from one part of the body to other? So in human beings, this transportation is carried out by two means. The first one is the blood vascular system, and the another way of transportation is lymphatic system. So these are the two systems by which the transportation in the human being has been done. So first of all, we will discuss about the blood vascular system. So a vascular system which has tubes full of fluids. Once again, I will repeat it. A vascular system which has tubes full of fluid, and this fluid has to be transported from one place to other. So the blood vascular system comprises of heart. It is the organ which pumps the blood. Probably you will well aware about this particular organ, the heart, which pumps the blood. The next one is the tubes or blood vessels. So these are narrow tubes through which the blood flows. Okay. Now there are three types of blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. These are arteries, the second one are veins, and the third one is known as capillaries. So these are the three types of the tubes that is present in the human body for the transportation of the blood. Now we shall know about the arteries. What are arteries? So the arteries are thick-walled blood vessels. These are thick-walled blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. So there are three types of the blood vessels which are present in the human. The first one is the arteries, second one is the veins, and third one is the capillaries. Arteries, these are thick-walled blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. Now the veins. So veins are thin walled. Unlike arteries, these are thin walled, which brings blood from the body back to the heart. And the third one is the capillaries. These are thin walled and extremely narrow, about 4 to 10 micrometer in diameter, and it will occur at the terminals. It will occur at the terminals of artery and veins. So these are the three different types of the blood vessels that is present in the human beings for carry out the transportation in the humans. So let us see that what is the fluid that has to be transported out from one place to the another place in the human beings. As you know, the fluid that has been transported in the case of human being is blood. So blood is the fluid which has to be transported out in the human beings. So let us see about the blood. So the blood is a mobile. Mobile means what? It can flow from one place to another. Mobile reddish colored fluid. Why this reddish colored fluid is there? Or why? What is the nature of this fluid? This is reddish because of the presence of the hemoglobin or the iron. So reddish colored fluid that circulates in blood vessels in humans. So the material or the fluid that will flow in the human being is the blood, which is a reddish colored fluid. Now, what are the functions of this blood? What are the various functions of this blood? So first of all, we'll see the functions of the blood. So this functions as nutrient supplier. So it supplies all the nutrients present in the blood from one place to the another in the body of the human beings. Along with this, it supplies oxygen. The major functions of the blood is that it acts as the nutrient supplier. It supplies the oxygen to the living cells. The next one is that it removes waste products, or it acts as an eliminator. Waste products and carbon dioxide. The blood when become deoxygenated, or when all the oxygen of the blood has been utilized by our body parts, then the deoxygenated blood has been carried out this heart, and then this has been removed out through the blood. So it removes the carbon dioxide from them, and along with this, it serves many other functions also. Blood carries hormones. Do you know about the hormones? These are the chemical substances that has been released by the various glands present in our body, and these hormones, they control various activities of our body. So the blood carries hormones from the endocrine glands to our target organs. Target organs are those organs from where no, the target organs are those organs in which the hormones has to be supplied from the endocrine glands. For example, various types of the hormones were there which has to be secreted out by the pituitary gland, and it has to be supplied to the various parts of our body. So it also helps in the circulation of the hormones. Now the next function of the blood is it maintains constant body temperature. It also helps in maintaining the constant body temperature. How it maintains the constant body temperature? By distributing the excess heat from the deeply seated organs. It maintains the body temperature of the human beings. Along with this, so many other functions were there, because blood carries some excretory material like urea to the kidney, and hence it helps in the excretion of this waste product. Now the blood also supplies oxygen from lungs to all our body parts. So see, these are the various functions of the blood. That is why the blood needs to be transported from one place of our body to the another places. So student, for today lecture, this much is only, and about the pumping system, about the heart, I will tell you in the next lecture. So kindly subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.